Stop saying, "What?" It sounds rude. Try these instead. Instead of saying what, you can try, "Come again? Come again? We need to leave at 6 a.m. sharp." Come again? We need to leave at 6 a.m. sharp. Okay. Also say, "I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. The deadline got moved to Friday." I didn't catch that. The deadline got moved to Friday. Or, "Sorry, what was that? Sorry, what was that? I just got promoted." Sorry, what was that? I just got promoted. You can also say, "Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? This meeting is at 2 p.m. Could you repeat that? This meeting is at 2 p.m. Or you can try, "Pardon? Pardon? We'll meet at the usual spot." Pardon? We'll meet at the usual spot. By the way, do you need help with your pronunciation, speaking, fluency, and confidence? Try downloading the Elsa Speak AI app, your English speaking coach. It will give you real feedback, courses, and exercises to improve your overall confidence in speaking the English language. The link is in my bio.